Hello, welcome to Bahasa with Haura. I'm Haura and I'm teaching Indonesian language and Indonesian culture in Bali. And today I'm gonna order a coffee in Starbucks, and this is actually the biggest Starbucks in Bali. Like this is like kind of like a monumental places that everyone goes to Bali when they come to Bali for the first time. And I'm gonna share some Indonesian sentences that you gonna need if you order a coffee in a cafe. So come with me. Now I'm gonna order a coffee, especially cappuccino because that's my favorite in Starbucks. So come with me. Halo, pagi Mbak Yasmin. Aku mau pesen cappuccino.
Untuk ukurannya mana Kak?
Ukurannya size-nya yang tall aja.
Ice?
Extra ice.
Extra ice?
Nggak pakai gula, nggak pakai sirup.
Itu susunya normal ya Kak ya?
Susunya ganti jadi oatmeal.
Iya. Ada lagi Kak Aura?
Bisa scan Starbucks set?
Totalnya jadi 80.000 ya Kak Aura?
Iya, bayarnya pakai kartu tap. Iya.
Makasih.
Iya, makasih.
Nggak perlu struknya?
Nggak perlu.
Nanti kita panggil sebelah sana ya Kak ya?
Iya. Sama Mbak, kalau WiFi passwordnya di sini apa ya?
Di sini nggak pakai password Kak, kebetulan hanya bisa konten goyang @freebitsnet hotspot. Nanti langsung masuk ke login page, terus tekan lagi. Langsung lanjutkan.
Iya, siap. Sama kalau toiletnya di sini di mana ya?
Di situ sebelah sini.
Oh, itu belok sini.
Ada lampu di atas.
Oke, kasih.
Sama-sama.
Yeah. Now I already get my coffee, and I'm gonna explain to you how you want to say when you order a coffee in Bahasa Indonesia or in Indonesian language. So when you say I want order one cappuccino, you can say aku mau pesen cappuccino. And for the explanation of that, like I want order cappuccino. Aku mau pesan cappuccino. I is aku, mau is want, pesan is order, satu is one, cappuccino is cappuccino. So, or you could always make it shorter. Aku pesan satu cappuccino. Like that one. And usually in every cafe or in Starbucks, the barista gonna ask you what's the size of the coffee or the tea that you want. And then you could say something like this. Ukurannya size-nya yang tall aja. And for that, when I say it's like, oh, size-nya tall or size-nya small, medium or large, sometimes we always say size. But if you want to say in Indonesian term, you could always say ukuran. Ukuran is like the size. So ukurannya small, medium or large, or size-nya small, medium or large, like that one. And also usually they gonna ask how many ice that you want in your coffee if you order iced coffee or iced tea. And if for me, this is like the user preference nowadays because time has changed as well. We always say extra ice, or you could always say banyak ice, banyak es, because nowadays some people would rather to say the English word rather than Indonesian word, so that's why I say extra ice. And if you don't want to use sugar because you are a sugar hater like me as well, so you could always say gak pakai gula or gak pakai sirup. Gak means no or don't. Pakai or pakai, it means use. Gula is sugar, so not using sugar. Gak pakai gula. And also like syrup is the same pretty much like syrup, so gak pakai syrup. So as simple as that actually. And also they're gonna ask you what type of milk that you want. And also if you are like a baddie like me that has dairy intolerance, you're probably gonna want to change the milk, right? And milk in Indonesia we say susu. And then when I say susunya ganti jadi oat milk, it means like change the milk into oat milk. Or you can make it simple way into susu oat milk right away. So it's pretty much easy basically if you want to order the coffee, and that's pretty much it. And also if you want to ask the Wi-Fi, what's the Wi-Fi password here, you could always say something like this. Wi-Fi passwordnya di sini apa ya? And for that explanations like Wi-Fi passwordnya apa? It means like what's the Wi-Fi password, because apa is what in Indonesia, so basically you just say apa Wi-Fi password, like that, or Wi-Fi password apa, as simple as that. Also if you want to ask where is the toilet, you can always say something like this. Toiletnya di sini di mana ya? And for the explanation is like the key point is here like di mana. Di mana is where, so you could say di mana toilet, or toilet di mana, where is the toilet. So as simple as that. So that's pretty much how you want to say your coffee order in a cafe or in restaurants. And let me know what's the next topic that you want to learn in Bahasa Indonesia. And also if you want to make your progress faster or based on what specific goal that you want to achieve to speak in Indonesia, you can always collaborate together, and then we can start practicing together in Bali or in online class if you're outside Bali. And see you soon!